Circulating fluids in human body. The human body is a complex structure comprising various organ systems, each interlinked and functioning cohesively. A critical aspect of this interconnectivity is the movement of essential substances, achieved primarily through circulating body fluids. Within the human body, three main circulating fluids play pivotal roles. 1. Blood. This is the primary circulating fluid. Housed within the heart, which acts as a pump, blood flows through an extensive network of blood vessels. These vessels can be categorized into arteries, which carry blood away from the heart, veins, which bring blood back to the heart, and capillaries, which connect arteries and veins and facilitate the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste between the blood and body tissues. 2. Tissue fluid, interstitial or intercellular fluid. This fluid surrounds the cells within our organs. It fills the spaces between cells and acts as a medium through which nutrients, waste products, and other molecules are exchanged between blood and cells. This fluid helps to maintain the internal environment of cells by supplying them with necessary nutrients and taking away waste products. 3. Lymph. Lymph is another essential fluid that travels through its own set of vessels, known as lymphatic vessels. This system also includes lymphatic organs, such as the spleen and tonsils. Lymph plays a role in filtering and draining away excess tissue fluid and also in immune defense, as it carries white blood cells that help fight infections.